And now I can actually remove this whole top unit. And I'm going to have to clean that out. Yeah, that's nasty in there. Okay, so what I have to be careful of is this is an antenna wire right here. So this goes down to this board, and over here is the other antenna wire. And these have like this epoxy on them, which is excellent. And I don't want to touch too much in here because I don't want to, I mean, everything is already dirty. But I have to lift this spring off with these 6 Allen keys. So I'm going to do that, and hopefully I have the right Allen key. Should be this guy here. Okay, that one's broken free. That one's broken free. You want to be very careful with this board up here too. That one's broken free.